Guys, welcome to Know the Bird. I know I don't usually start my intros like this, but day 2 I'm in the hotel. Day 2 I'm in the hotel. Today, we're going to walk. We're going to walk. Yes, I know it's not that exciting, but it is. It is exciting because we're going to a boat. We're going to see a boat. Yes, a boat. And it looks so cool and ginormous. Right? Do this thing. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. Got my drink. I'm kind of excited to see the boat because I've never seen a boat. Only little boats. I've never seen a big giant boat. My hair's a mess. I'll go tell my mom. You guys are probably asking, is your mom single? Yes, she is. She is single. She's single. She used to have a husband, my dad.
Too much information. You don't need to know all that.
Yeah, but just in case.
They're not wondering.
Oh, never mind. I'm gonna cut that part out, even though I know how. I don't know how. Move away. I said move. There you go. I'm bored. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do because I'm so bored. Woo! I did that because I was bored.
Te dije que te pongas los tenis, ven.
Okay. I'm ready to go walking. Let's do this. Do this. I'm just kidding. Not yet. I'm kind of scared because what if my battery ends? Because right now it's at 24 battery. That's bad. I'm bored. Bye bye. I don't know what I was doing. I am legitimately so bored. Like, I'm not kidding. Hurry up, Mom. We're almost going to walk, I think. No, never mind. Never mind. Alright, guys. I think we're gonna walk now. Because my mom is ready. Come on, Gajo. Let's go walk. Alright, guys, we're outside. Are we going in the car? Guys, by the way, this is my final day in the hotel. If you guys did not know. Guys, we're not gonna walk. We're gonna go to the car. So, yeah. I thought we were gonna go walk, but no. Oh, we're gonna go see the boats in the car. What are you guys doing? Ooh, that popcorn. Oh. Look at this popcorn. Ooh, this one is a big one. This one is a big one too. Wow. These taste so good. I'm sorry I'm eating them right in front of you. I should pause the video. Alright guys, the car is moving. One more popcorn because first we're gonna... Mami, primero vamos a comer y luego ver al barco. ¿Eh?
Sí.
Look guys, the car is moving. It's moving. It's moving. But it's not moving yet. My mom is just gonna do something. here. Uh-oh. Do you guys hear that? Oh, mami, yo lo miré.
Ah, ¿miraste la ambulancia?
Ah, fue de este lado. D'accord. It's so cloudy. I can't even see the sky because it's so cloudy. Oh my! How tall is it? Look, guys.
No. Traen sus cubrebocas.
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
Vamos a ir a buscar desayuno.
¿Hay que?
¿Eh?
¿Hay que?
Vamos a buscar desayuno y vamos para allá para el lado del barco. Busca tu cubrebocas, ¿dónde está?
What's in the pocket? Yeah. Try to get more. There you go. Alright, guys. Let's go walk. Uh-oh. My battery's about to die. The boat! I see the boat! Can you guys see it? I see the boat. Oh my god.
Que tiene la mano pintada. Y el perro. ¿Qué concha va?
Ah, sí. Ya lo miré. Guys, we're so close to the boat. We're so close to the boat. Wait, where are we going? Now I can't even see the boat. guys, run. Jump, guys, run and jump. Alright, guys. Uh-oh. Jungle. Technical difficulties. Alright, guys, go. Uh-oh.
Ahí hay una entradilla para ir allá. Ahí tiene esta bota.
We're gonna go to the boat, guys! Run! 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 So I can see the boat. Creo que perdí.
¿Dónde vamos? Al malecón. Ahí donde están los barcos, ahí también venden desayunos. ¿Vale?
Guys, I see boats. I see a lot of boats.
Deja de caminar. Arriba.
Guys, I see boats. Oh my God, I see the water. Oh, aquí es donde se hace toda la agua para arriba. ¿Verdad? Run! Ah, I see the boat. I see the boat. I see the boat. Come on, guys. I see the boat. There's a lot of boats. Guys, look at this. Holy crap. And there's even more. There's more right there, I think. Oh my God, there's so many boats. The giant boat. Wait, espera. Oh my God. Espera. Look at this. Oh my God. I hear things. I see a duck. Oh my God.
¿Te tomo una foto o no?
Sí.